Good morning, class 7 children. So already had continued with we have started with chapter number 16, water, a precious resource. So today we are going to continue with the chapter number 16. Already children, we have read that how much water is available on the earth. Distribution of the water is uneven on the earth. Forms of water that we know already, water exists in solid, liquid and gaseous state. Water cycle, through which the water continues circulating from earth to the atmosphere and again atmosphere to the earth. So all these things we have already read. Now let's continue with the water management, which is very, very important, that how we can continue managing water so that there should be a proper system of water. There should be a no lack of water. So there are few of the responsibilities of each one of us also, and few of the methods if we are using, so in that way we can conserve the water. So let's have a look on it. So kindly start reading. Gia, you may start. Switch on your cameras, children, so that I can see you. Start reading from this part, water management. Only 2 or 3 word lines are there. You have read in class 6 that in many of the places, regular supply of the water is provided by the well-planned pipelines. So Gia, will you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue from this part. Rest of the children may switch on the cameras, beta. Continue.
You have read in class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided by a well-planned pipe system. When the civic authorities supply water through pipes, not all of it may reach through the destination. You might have seen water supply pipes leaking and a lot of water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. Mismanagement or wastage may take place at the level of individuals also. All of us, knowingly or unknowingly, waste water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing, and during many other activities. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. We waste water as though we do not need water the next time.
Okay,
We
beta.
have
Okay,
seen.
Gia. Okay, thank you. Next, Sharvil may continue. Sharvil, we continue. We have
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
that.
We have seen that most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resource. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting, about which you have learned in class 6.
So children,
Find out.
kindly underline, beta, underline this. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. And this is known as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Kindly underline this. Continue.
Find out if the buildings in your neighborhood have water harvesting system installed. We have at many places
Okay, but
in
next
India.
can continue. Next girl, Hiryanshi can continue. Hiryanshi, unmute. Hiryanshi, if you want to read, you continue this one. Okay, Anupriya, you may. We have to.
We have at, ma'am, from here we have at many places in India.
Yes.
We have at many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Borees. Bori was the traditional way of collecting water. With time, the Borees fell into disuse and garbage started filling in these reservoirs. However, because of the acute water storage shortage, people in these areas had to rethink. The boroughs are being revived today The situation is that in spite of scanty rains, these places are managing their water needs well.
Okay, fine.
A
It is.
far-
Okay, beta, fine. Next, Ayana, you can continue with the last paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have
You don't know from where to read.
ma'am,
Yes.
a farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. Maybe you have heard of drip integration figure 16.9. Drip integration is a te-
Is a technique.
technique
Is a technique of.
is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly at the base of the plant.
Okay, fine. It is. Avika, repeat this paragraph again.
Okay, ma'am. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. Maybe you have heard of drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly at the base of the plant.
Okay, beta. So kindly underline the definition of drip irrigation. It's a technique of watering the plants by making use of narrow tubings and deliver water directly to the roots of the plant, at the base of the plant directly. So here we are having a case study. So I want any one of you to read it. Yes, Rajal, you may continue. Laksh, Swastik, Ananya Jain, Astha. If anybody among you want to read, you may continue with the case study. Continue reading, children.
Yes, ma'am. A case study. Bhojpur in the Kutch area of Gujarat has a very erratic rainfall. The only source of fresh water lies underground because rivers in this area do not have water throughout the year. Over the years, for water has grown. The withdrawal of groundwater has far exceeded recharge. As a result, the water table has gone down alarmingly. In 1989, the villagers, along with a non-governmental organization, decided to harvest rainwater. 18 check dams were built on the Rukmati River and its tributaries. The water so collected increased percolation through the soil and recharged the aquifers. According to farmers, the well have water now, and the water that flowed into the sea and was wasted has become available for irrigation.
Okay, beta. So this is a case study, children. I think you must have understood. So the how water wastage can be managed. Next, water, what is the role you can play? Now, this is the, Ananya Jain, you can continue. This is a work done by the government to set up or for the agriculture purposes, that rainwater harvesting and other, we are talking about the this drip irrigation system. Now, what is your duty? Even we people contributes a lot. So what we can do, let's read these points. Yes, Ananya Jain, you may continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am. 16.7. What role you can play? Have you ever shown concern if you saw a tap leaking in your house, school, or any other place? Leaking taps waste a lot of water. You must make efforts to stop this leakage. There are a number of ways you can adopt to minimize wastage of water. Let us begin. We have given a few examples at all. Water wise habits. First, turn off taps while brushing. Second, mop the floor instead of washing.
Other than these habits, can you add few more? Can you add few more habits? Only turn off tap while brushing, mop the floor instead
Ma'am,
of
while
washing.
shaving also we have to turn off the tap.
Okay, while shaving, turn off the tap. And most important, I think that we should check the leakage.
Wash
If any-
utensils and vegetables.
vegetables and utensils means whenever we are washing vegetables, use that water for watering the plants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have not. We should not waste the water which is used for the washing utensils and vegetables. We can
Yes.
water the plants through that water.
But beta, washing utensil water, that water we can't use because that contains soap. Only washing the vegetables we can use. That water can be reused. And others also, instead of washing
Ma'am, purifier
your
water is,
yes.
yes, ma'am. We are using purifier water in using for watering the plants.
Okay. And one thing more is there, we can use the leak. Okay, we can check the leakage. If you have seen that there is a leakage in the pipe, so that should be rechecked. Otherwise, there is a lot of water which will get wasted.
Ma'am, we should use the bucket and mug instead of shower.
Yes, with that consume much of the water. And one or a few more we can add. Instead of washing our vehicles, we should mop them. Okay. So all these
And
things.
ma'am, when we came back from school to our home, so we can plant the we can give the water to the plants, the water which is left in our
Okay, the
bottle.
water bottles that you were carrying to the school, even you can give the water. If you want to empty that bottle, you can empty that bottle in the your flower pots. And if you are bringing it to your home, so you have to do this work at there only. So these are the few points to be kept in mind. Next, effect of water scarcity on plants. So let's discuss what is the worst effect of water scarcity on the plants. Yes, Hryanshi, Lakshya Chandra, and Astha, if you want to read, you can read. Swastik,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
yes, you may continue.
Okay, ma'am. Effect of water scarcity on plants. You must have seen a potted plant wilting and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for a days. You have already learned in chapter 1 that plants need water to get nutrients from the soil to prepare their food. Just imagine the consequence if water is not available to plants. The green character of the planet shall be lost. This may mean the end of all life. For the world without plants shall mean to no food, no oxygen, not enough rain, and
Innumerable, innumerable means countless problems will be faced.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Other.
means the green part will be lost if we are not taking care of it, and if there will be a water scarcity. Jia beta, you have written in the chat box that ma'am, the farmers use drip irrigation instead of rain. No, they are using drip irrigation, and where they are using the drip irrigation, where the amount of water is less available, they dependent on rain totally for the agriculture purpose. Okay, anyone else want to read this last paragraph, a successful initiative? Let's read this also. Rajasthan is hot and a dry place. Who wants to read? No one today.
Ma'am, may I, Avika?
Yes, continue.
Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. The challenge of natural scarcity of water was met by a successful experiment. A band of social workers has transformed a dry area in the Alwar district into a green place. They have revived 5 dried up rivers, Arveri, Ruparal, Sarsa, Bhagani, and Jahazwali by constructing water harvesting structures.
Okay. So children, this was the initiative taken. So there was a successful initiative. So the rivers, dry up rivers now are constructing water harvesting shortage. So this was a chapter.
Ma'am, Rajasthan is a barren land, so can we make it a fertile land?
But a maximum of its part is, it can be made, but not the whole. It's very tough because Rajasthan is quite expanded. So the all lands can't be make. It's not a barren. Few of the vegetables are vegetation is there, but it's very less.
And ma'am, I think some of the parts should be barren.
naturally as it is the
That can be made, but
nature.
it needs a lot of time and hard work. It can be, but it needs a lot of work. Okay.
But ma'am, I think we should not interfere between the nature. That is also a
Yes.
part of nature.
Yes, 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 yes. So children, after completing the chapter, I hope, is there any doubt for any of the concept of chapter, or should we discussing the back exercise? If anything you want to ask or any repetition you need, we can. Otherwise, we'll continue with the back exercise. So let's start with it. First is your true, false. Let's continue with it. So your question number 1 is mark true and false. The fresh water stored in our ground is much more than that present in the rivers, lakes of the world. Is it? Yes, Anupriya?
True.
Okay, it is true. Yes, it is true. Next is the water, Gia. Water shortage is a problem faced only by the people living in the rural area. Is it like that?
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is false. Sorry. Water from rivers is only source for irrigation in the fields. By mistake, I had made it. Is it true or false? Tell me.
False.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it is
false.
false. Okay, it is false. Next is rain is the ultimate source of water. True, false?
False.
True.
Yes, it is
I'm
true. Yes, it is true. It is the ultimate source of water. Farmers depend upon rain for the irrigation. Number 2, explain how groundwater is recharged. Can I have the answer from your side? How rainwater can be this recharged groundwater? How groundwater can be recharged? Yes, Anupriya?
The rainwater and water from river and ponds seeps into the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. This is how the groundwater gets recharged.
Okay. So by the process of infiltration, the groundwater
Yes,
can
ma'am.
be recharged. Okay. Number 3, there are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. 10 tube wells are there in the lane of 50 houses. What could be the long-term impact on water table? 10 tube wells are there to give water to the 50 houses. So long-term effect क्या होने वाला है water table पे? Kindly
And
tell.
then the groundwater would be reduced and the water table would go down as it is used for the long time.
Yes, water table is lowering down. It will lower down and the amount of water, groundwater will be over to finish because there is a 50 houses and 10 tube wells. It is more than sufficient that we are using 10 tube wells. So groundwater is going to be lower because that tube wells are using much of the groundwater. Number 4, you have been asked to maintain a garden. How will you minimize the use of water? Okay. If the work is given to you that maintain a garden, but you have to use a minimum amount of water. So how it can be done?
Ma'am, we can use the drip irrigation method so that smaller amount of water can be
Okay. One method,
to the
drip
plants.
irrigation. Okay, good. Drip
And ma'am, we
irrigation.
should not. Ma'am, we should not water plant through pipe. Ma'am, because
We should
it
use
was-
mug and water if we are mug and bucket if we have to water the plants. Okay. And
Ma'am,
moreover,
yes,
children,
we should not supply the water directly through the narrow pipes. It will use a lot amount of water.
ma'am,
and
we
one
can
thing-
reuse the old water.
and yes, or we can use a sprinkler system in our garden. Have you seen a sprinkler system in few of the gardens? In the
Ma'am,
parks
yes,
or
we
in the
have seen.
garden, that also the nozzle rotates. उसमें क्या होता है वो nozzle rotates and the water
And ma'am, it
reaches to
sprinkles it sprinkles
Yes.
the water over the
And the
ground.
water reaches to the all parts of the garden. So we can use, yes, put 2 or 3 methods to minimize the use of water. Number 5, explain the factors responsible for depletion of water table. So children, 5 factors are there. This question may be in 5 marks. Like first we had discussed,
Increasing population.
second,
Population.
increasing industrialization, increasing agriculture.
Agricultural activities.
Number 4 is scanty rainfall, and number 5 is deforestation.
Deforestation.
Already 5 points I had given. In your book, only 3 are there, but it's written scanty rainfall and deforestation are the other ways also. So if this question comes,
To
this
stop
depends upon-
deforestation, we should do reforestation and afforestation.
Yes, we have to do this. And but one thing more, let me tell you, if this question comes in 5 marks, you need to explain each and every topic. Means what are the points you had given, you have to elaborate that points. Okay. Number 6, fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers. People obtain water, groundwater through dash and dash. Yes, Ananya Jain?
Tube wells.
Tube
True
wells
wells are no hand pumps.
and
Hand pumps.
hand pump and tube well. Okay. 3 forms of water are easiest question.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Okay. And in solid form,
Ice.
liquid is water and gaseous is
Vapor.
water vapor. Okay. Number C, the water bearing layer of earth is
Aquifer.
aquifer.
Mom, aquifer.
Next is the process of water seepage into ground is called
Infiltration.
infiltration. Okay. Next is, which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Not responsible. Not responsible for water.
Heavy rainfall.
Mom,
rain.
heavy rainfall.
Okay, number C is heavy rainfall. Number 8, one more is there. Choose the correct option. The total water in the lakes and rivers under the ground remain constant, in the seas and oceans, or of the world remain constant. So what can we write down?
Of the world remains constant.
So of the world remain constant. Amount of water is constant because due to the water cycle, the water is moving from one place to the another. So children, this is your chapter. I think we have discussed. Very less work has been given of this chapter. I will upload assignment of this chapter also. For writing purpose, you have to complete question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4 questions to be written in the notebook. That's it. Okay. Only these 4 questions. Rest you won't be doing in the notebook. So this was your chapter.